Sometimes you lose direction and are confused with what to do next. You need help. You need motivation. You need a next level revelation.
Well, it's just a few of the things I do with the Power Team as I travel around the world, just a few things that we do as the Power Team. Now, what I have here, this is a steel bar, just like they use in the World's Strongest Man contest. Now, what I'm going to attempt to do is take this steel bar, and I'll let you vote. I can either take it over my head and try to bend it around, or I can bite it in my teeth and try to bend it around. I know what a lot of you are thinking. Well, if he bites it in his teeth and bends it to a complete circle, it's got to be cut, faked, something done to it. It can't be real. So here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for two very daring young lady volunteers. About the same height. Okay. How about you two? Two girls up here. Yeah, come on. Get these girls up here. Come up here, ladies. Get down here. How are y'all today? I'm Craig. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Okay, nice to meet you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Would you stand right here? Okay, and would you stand right here? Would y'all face each other? Look at each other? Okay, here's what we're going to do. To prove that this is a real steel bar, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this bar, would you move your hair back off your shoulder? I'm going to put this bar on your shoulder. Now I want you to take both hands and hold on to it, just like that, perfectly. Now to prove that this is a real steel bar, I'm going to attempt to press you ladies over my head like two dumbbells. Sorry, I mean barbells. Sorry, you're very smart. You're not dumbbells, you're very smart. I'm sorry, I'm nervous. You know why I'm nervous? No, I would never do that, sweetie. I'm nervous because the last time I was doing this was in high school, and a bunch of freshman girls, and two freshman girls. And you gotta be real serious. You can't laugh, you go kid, and you'll move around. And all of a sudden, I pressed them over my head. When I did, everybody started cheering. And I got kind of excited, so I spun around like a helicopter. I shouldn't have done that. Because this girl on this side, she was laughing so much that she slipped right in the middle of my turn, and she was like Superman across the gym floor, like shh. And I'm telling you, if it hadn't been for the brick wall, she would still be going today, but she stopped suddenly. But she was on the hospital for like 3 days, and so, you know. No, seriously. No one has ever been killed yet while doing this, okay? No one. So, okay, here's what we're going to do. Here's what I want you to do. I'm going to count to 3. When I count to 3, I want you to do this. Watch. Pull down. Don't do this. Pull down, okay? I'll pressure you. You'll pull down, okay? You guys ready? You know what? Woo, it's kind of early. And I had a really good time to stretch and get loose. And how many of human weight's a lot different than barbell weight? It kicks, it giggles, it moves around. So, here's what you do. If you ladies wouldn't mind, and I know this is a very sensitive subject, and so, if you will whisper in my ear, if you wouldn't mind approximately how much you weigh, I'm not going to tell anybody because, trust me, I understand about, ladies don't like that. I've been married for 31 years in a row. And so, I understand this. So just whisper in my ear approximately how much you weigh. If you don't know, just take a guess. Just shh, don't tell anybody.
I have no idea.
Wow. Okay, just take a guess. Okay, okay. All right, well, hang on a second. Let me add that up. 3, 4. That's about 620 pounds over my head. I'm just teasing. I'm just kidding. Yeah, only 300 pounds. Okay, listen, girls. Hold on really tight, okay? Once again, I'm going to count to 3. Press up. You girls are going to what? Pull down. Are y'all ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, pull down.
Hold in.
2, pull down. 3. And with all that weight, that bar is still not in right there. So we're going to try to bend that for you guys. Okay, now, the next thing I'm going to do, let me know what this is. That's right. This is a Louisville Slugger baseball bat. This is the kind of bat that they use in the World Series. You guys watch the World Series? This is what they use. This is what the bat looks like before they ride on it, or shellac it, or do anything to it. This is what it looks like. I'm going to attempt to take this bat. There are 3 ways that I can snap this bat. Okay? The first way is the conventional way, where we take it over our leg and we press down. It takes about 400 pounds of pressure to snap a bat like that. Or I can take it underneath our leg, we started doing this about 2 years ago, underneath the leg and pull up like a bicep curl, and that's more difficult because I actually had a guy on our team sever his bicep doing that. It's very dangerous. Or, one other way, and I haven't done this in a long time because I tore a pectoral muscle doing this, put it behind my back and just use my elbows and my shoulders, snap it behind my back. I'll let you guys vote, okay? I'm going to let you guys vote how you want to see this done. How many want to see it over my leg the conventional way?
The more impressive thing is he's
4 people, awesome, 4. How about under the leg, bicep curl?
I think you
How
should
about behind my back? Okay, wait a minute. Let's get this straight. So you guys are watching this program like you watch NASCAR. You just want to see a good wreck, don't you? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's exactly what I thought. Okay, well, I'll try to snap it behind my back. And then what I have here, this is bought from a local Walmart. It's an ordinary frying pan. I'm going to take this frying pan, and if you watched America's Got Talent, I took this frying pan and rolled it up until it looked like the shape of a burrito. We're going to try to do that for you guys today. And then last but not least, what I have here, these, I have 2 25-pound axes. And I'm going to take each one in my hand like this, hold it out, and try to bring this down just to touch the tip of my nose with both axes. I mean, listen, this is very dangerous. You're not going to try this, okay? Very dangerous. All right? Are you guys ready to see this? Okay. So I'm going to give you a countdown. Countdown's from 5 to 0. When I get to 0, I need you to yell, cheer, and clap because it helps me out. You guys ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. One more time. All right. How do you have fun so far? Yes,